So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to draw in Alight Motion. So if I were to play this video right here and you wanted to add like a drawing to it, make sure that the video is not selected. So don't select the video, tap out of it, go to the bottom right, press the plus icon. Then there's a bunch of different options right here on the far right. It says freehand drawing. Go ahead and select that. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and play around with it. So if you want to go ahead and increase the thickness or the thinness, you can go ahead and select the color as well. So if you wanted to go ahead and do green, you can go ahead and draw right here. So go ahead and press the drawing icon. Go ahead and do what you got to do. There's a drawing. You can make it less thick, just like that. You can change the color. You can make it more of a pen. Like whatever the case may be, you can play around with it. If this looks good and this is your masterpiece, you can go ahead and exit out of here. You can go ahead and move it around if you want. You can make it larger, make it smaller. You can then go ahead and play the video right here, and then your drawing will be added. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to draw in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.